today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a watermark into an Excel spreadsheet. This guide will cover a quick and straightforward method to add either an image-based or text-based watermark. So let's dive right in and make your spreadsheets look uniquely yours. To start off, you'll want to change your Excel view to page layout. This is a crucial step as it allows us to work directly within the header section, which is where both image and text watermarks will reside. To do this, click on the View tab found at the top of your Excel window. From there, go ahead and select Page Layout. This sets the proper stage for our watermark insertion. Now with Page Layout active, it's time to click on Add Header. Doing so activates the header area of your spreadsheet, setting us up nicely for the watermark process. We'll begin today with an image watermark. Make sure you are in the Header and Footer tab, then look for and click on the Picture option. When you click on Picture, a new window will emerge, presenting you with various sources to choose your image from. For the purpose of this demonstration, we'll be opting to upload directly from your computer. Simply browse through your files, find the image you wish to use, select it, and then click Insert. Initially, you'll notice that Excel displays a placeholder text instead of your actual image. Don't be concerned, this is a normal part of the process. Simply click away from the header onto another part of your sheet, and voila, your image should appear. Now, sometimes the image might seem a bit too large at first, but don't worry, there's a straightforward solution for that. Before we move on to adjustments, remember that PNG is an excellent format for watermark images, particularly if you have logos with transparent backgrounds. To resize or make any modifications to your image, click back into the header area to reactivate the Header and Footer tab. From here, select Format Picture. Within the Format Picture dialog, you'll find essential tools to fine-tune your image. Let's start by resizing. You can manually enter specific dimensions or use the Scale option to change the size proportionally. For this demonstration, we'll set the scale to 30% and click OK. This should result in a much smaller and more manageable watermark for your spreadsheet. A few more finishing touches can enhance the look. Reopen Format Picture, go to the Picture tab, and consider adjusting the image color. The washout effect will give your watermark a subtle, traditional appearance, ideal for most uses. Remember to click OK when you're satisfied with the modifications. Finally, one last detail, we want to align it perfectly. Return to the header and simply press Enter several times until your image is positioned just right on the page. If it looks good, you're all set. Now, in case you need to remove the watermark later, just click back into the header, highlight the content, and press Delete. It's quite straightforward. And there you have it. Your Excel spreadsheet now sports a professional-looking watermark, and you can confidently apply these skills to any future projects. Thanks for watching, and happy excelling.